Having trouble accessing your consumer cellular voicemail? The most common cause is an incorrect or forgotten voicemail access code. This code, usually 4 to 6 digits, is required when dialing in to check your messages via 86 or a custom number. First, try the default code, often 000. If that doesn't work, reset your code through the Consumer Cellular app or website. Log in and navigate to Voicemail Settings. There, you should find an option to view or reset your code. If you've forgotten it, use the Forgot Code option to receive a verification SMS with instructions. If resetting your access code doesn't solve the problem, ensure you're using a compatible device, ideally Android 8 Plus or iOS 12 Plus. Restart your phone, toggle airplane mode on and off, or try removing and reinserting your SIM card. Also, ensure visual voicemail is enabled in the Consumer Cellular app and clear the app's cache and data. If dialing in is the problem, try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data. As a last resort, contact Consumer Cellular support at 1-888-345-5509 for a full voicemail reset, which may involve remotely wiping and restoring your settings. To prevent future issues, choose a strong, memorable code and consider enabling two-factor authentication for your account.